Welcome to IAS Help Desk. As IAS Prelims is approaching, we have come up with IAS Prelims Foundation series covering economy, environment, polity, science, etc. In this video we will cover mangroves. Let's start the topic.
Mangroves are the plants which are located between the land and sea, and they are the example of ecotone. As in the first video, I have explained that ecotone is a transition area between two biomes. So in this, first is the land biome, that is the forest biome, and the second is the marine biome. So mangroves lies in between the land and sea, and they act as a transition zone. And mangroves are salt tolerant plants called halophytes, which are adapted to harsh coastal condition of tropical and subtropical intertidal regions of the world, receiving rainfall between 1000 to 3000 mm and temperature ranging between 25 to 35 degrees centigrade. So 1/3 of the world's mangrove are found in Asia, followed by Africa and then North and Central America. So now moving to the significance of mangroves. Mangroves act as a buffer zone between the land and sea. So as they are present in the transition zone between land and sea, so it controls the speed of the sea waves. और इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि अगर हाई टाइड्स आ रही हैं या साइक्लोन आ रहा है तो मैंग्रोव्स जो हैं वो प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं कोस्टल एरियाज को, क्योंकि दे एक्ट एज ए बफर जोन. और मैंग्रोव्स अगर रिड्यूस हो रहे हैं तो कोस्टल एरियाज पे साइक्लोन का इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा होता है. It also protects the land from erosion. It acts as a shield against cyclones, as I have told earlier, and it provides breeding ground for variety of marine animals. It provides life for fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and even mammals like tigers. As in Sundarban mangrove reserves, tigers are present. They are good source of timber, fuel and fodder. They are source for income generation, saves the marine diversity, purify the water by absorbing impurities and harmful heavy metals. And they are act as a source for recreation and tourism also. So these are the significance of mangrove forest. Now moving to the distribution of mangroves in India. First is Sundarban. It is the single largest block of tidal halophytic mangroves of the world, which is famous for the presence of Royal Bengal tiger and crocodiles. But the threat faced by these areas are that these are been clearing for agriculture use. Second is Bhitarkanika in Odisha, and it is the second largest in the Indian subcontinent. Then the next area is Godavari Krishna deltaic region in Andhra Pradesh. Then mangroves are found in Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka, and very less are found in Kerala. And the next is in Gulf of Kutch and Kori Creek in Gujarat. These are also found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So through this map you can see the areas which are famous for mangrove forest in India. The location of these areas can be asked in the examination. Now the mangrove species are, first is Sundari trees. Sundarban has been named after the Sundari trees only, and these are classified as endangered in the IUCN Red List. Then the other species are also present. You don't have to learn all the species, but the first important is Sundari trees. But due to natural and anthropogenic activities, mangroves are under threat. So some of the threats which are faced by mangroves include cyclones, typhoons and strong wave action, and especially due to the climate change, the intensity of cyclone and wave action is increasing. Second is overgrazing by livestock. Then insect pests such as wood borers, caterpillars and beetles damage the wood as well as the plants. But the threats due to human activities are decreasing the mangroves at high speed. First is deforestation, indiscriminate tree felling and lopping, indiscriminate conversion of mangroves on public lands for aquaculture and agriculture, encroachment due to tourism, lack of interest of private landowners, illegal large-scale collection of mangrove forest for medicines, which hinders their natural regeneration, then the pollution from the industries or the sewage waste are obstructing the flow of water. So if you are reading threats related to mangroves, coral reefs or wetlands or any natural resources, then you have to divide it between the natural threats and the threats due to human activities. Now moving to the initiatives for mangrove conservation. So the first is Mangroves for Future. It is a collaboration between multiple partners including government, NGO and research institute. It is co-chaired by IUCN and UNDP. It is important and it promotes investment in coastal ecosystem for sustainable development, and mangroves are the flagship of the initiative, but it also covers coral reefs, estuaries, lagoons, sandy beaches, sea grasses and wetlands. So along with the conservation of mangroves, they are also conserving these biomes also. The member countries are India, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Indonesia, Maldives, Myanmar, Pakistan, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, Thailand and Vietnam. And the second initiative is Global Mangrove Alliance. It brings together technical experts, civil society organizations, governments, businesses, funding agencies and foundations for the conservation and restoration of mangroves. So these two initiatives are occurring in which India is a partner. Along with this, mangroves are protected through a range of legislation such as coastal regulation, zone notification, environmental impact assessment studies, Indian Forest Act 1927 and Forest Conservation Act 1980. So under these legislations, mangroves are conserved in India. Thank you. Hope you have liked the video. For any query, you can mail us at info@iashelpdesk.in or WhatsApp at 85860 55783. And for more guidance, please visit our website. Thank you.